Hi everyone, I'm back with another video and today I will show you how to get student discount on Amazon. So first, go to your browser and type Prime Student Sign Up. So here, choose Join Prime Student Amazon Customer Service. So here, click the link to go to Prime Student Sign Up. Here, choose the verification method that best suits you. So you have verify with age or verify with student status. So let's try verify with age. Click start your 6-month trial. So here, log in to your account. So for age verification, you only need to submit proof of your age such as your passport, driving license, or identity card. So submit your proof of age here. And that's it. You will be able to get student discount on Amazon. Till next time!